Alright everybody, we're gonna walk over downstairs to, we're in Red Hawk Casino. We're gonna walk downstairs to the non-smoking section where they finally finished the construction. So I just left the bubble craft machine over there, and took a $200 ticket to 500. I didn't record it because you're not really allowed to record here. So last time we were here, they had the bubble craps games downstairs on the non-smoking section, but they took them all out. I don't know why. Not sure why. So let's go take a gander down here. There we go. Downstairs. Check out this carving. So here we are, Red Hawk. It's really beautiful up here. Placerville. They had the Koto buffet there. If you haven't eaten at this Pearl Asian cuisine, it's actually really good. If you come down, you'll see these games here. And I think they changed the lighting in this casino because it used to be really dark. And now it's bright as F. Henry Steakhouse on the left. And right here is where they had the bubble craps machines. They had like two of them here, or three of them. Lost $600. That's how we're able to get our free rooms for this trip. The fortune pots. Koto buffet. So all the Game Kings over here. So what's cool over here is that now, since they finished the construction, they put in table games, so the non-smoking. So over here is where they have the slot tournaments. Yeah, this casino has a lot of older machines here. Now this is the bottom floor. And they're smart, so no smoking down here. All the smoke's upstairs and it rises. So this is the bottom floor. All right, I'm gonna walk back up. I don't know if I want to do another tour of this place because I already did one. I did a casino walking tour here probably last February, March time. Oh, here we go. So non-smoking table games are open. They open Monday, Wednesday at 1. Thursday through Sunday open at noon. For all you non-smokers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna walk the perimeter of this casino. So coming from the buffet area, we are going to walk around this way. I'm not gonna go down every aisle. I did that already before. This is where they have performances, huh? Nice. So, old games here. Bar area. So there's 2 Verona coffee shops here. This one is the Express, and then there's one over by the hotel area that's actually sit down. That one has a lot of good restaurants. I mean, not a lot of good food. It is very well lit in here. You know what's funny is this casino wizard right here has no craps on it. And then last night I was playing the craps table. The California craps is totally different. They use cards to determine the dice or the roll. So if you roll like a certain dice number, they have cards over there that determine the actual number, and it's $5 minimum. I played pretty well last night. I think I won like $150. Lightning link. So here's the other Verona. I think it's a Verona. Is it Verona? I could be wrong. It is a Verona coffee house. The other one was an Express. This is a regular coffee house. You just sit down and eat. And on the menu, I saw that they had pho. I don't know how good it is. It's probably the same pho that they served when I was sitting at the bar. It tastes like crap. But I don't know how the other food is. I heard it's good. That's what they say. Over by the hotel area, that's where we're staying. Over here is the gift pickup. I'll pick up my gift tomorrow. I'm walking around right now recording the walking tour. Right. Yeah, an updated one. So last time we were here downstairs, they were doing construction and they didn't finish it. So I just went down there and just recorded it real quick. So I'm just walking around right now. Are you playing? No?
I came in, I had some, I get bi-weekly play.
Yeah.
Couldn't hit anything.
No. Yeah, I had my free play that expired October. It was like $150. Like, I barely made it. Yeah. It's fun. Well, good luck, man.
Okay, man.
I'll see ya. Let's cut through in and out here. Just take a look. So that guy that I was just talking to, he was watching me play the bubble craps earlier when I took my $240 to $500. If you're watching, very nice to meet you, man. I'm not gonna call this a detailed walking tour. This is just a walking tour, strolling aimlessly through the casino. wonder how busy it's gonna be tonight. I mean, it's Friday morning on a weekday, so often even more puffs. I like how the inside, they have all the old games on the inside of this casino. Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this one. Sandbow dragons, tigers. Little Shop of Horrors. Buffalo. Let's go take a walk through the high limit area. High limit card games, this bar right here. So the high limit card games on the right hand side and all the high limit slot machines on this side. So right here, earlier this year is when I met another YouTuber. He has a YouTube channel. It's called NS Slots. He's winning a good amount. It's all the 3 reels. So that's your high limit area. And on the right hand side is the elevators to the parking lot. Alright, let's walk the perimeter. Reels. These 3 reel quick hits. Wow, this whole section is all like 3 reel, 5 reel slot machines. Then you got your video game slot machines. That's one of somebody mentioned on our channel. This game is fun. Railroad Riches. So colorful, man, these games. Ocean Spin.
Just updating them or doing something to them at the time.
And follow me to get some more coffee. You know me and my coffee. Coffee here is actually pretty good. Tastes good. It's not as caffeinated as I usually like. I'm a guy with a quad shot espresso. See all these old Buffalo games. Let's cut through the middle. Let's see, where should we go? Let's walk over by the old games. I record a lot of the newer video game style games. I don't record any of these older ones. That's the entrance for the ballet. I haven't seen this one. What is this? Rising Nishiki. This Tiki Lounge game is fun. Treasure Lounge. That's about it, everybody. Well, there's a lot more, but I'm not gonna walk through it. I already did a walking tour of this place. I just want to do a strolling through the casino, wandering aimlessly. I'll just let it continue record. You could see. Man, fat fortunes. Your pupils are big, bro. What you been smoking? Oh shit. Okay. That's it. I'm done. Please like and subscribe or something like that. Helps our channel.